Welcome to Easy Peasy English. Big learning made simple. Let's get into it.
Little by little. Little by little, he improved his English. The pain went away little by little.
Tired out. I was completely tired out after the trip. This job really tires me out.
To call on. I'll call on my grandmother this weekend. The teacher called on Tom to answer. The president called on citizens to stay calm.
Never mind. Never mind, it's not a big deal. I forgot to bring it.
Never mind. To pick out. She picked out a nice dress for the party. Can you pick out your name from this list? To take over. She will take over the project next week. The company was taken over by a larger firm.
To lie down. I'm going to lie down for a bit. He lay down on the sofa and fell asleep.
To stand up. Please stand up when the teacher enters. He stood up and gave a speech.
To sit down. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable. She sat down next to me.
All day long. I've been working all day long. She talked on the phone all day long.
By oneself. He did the project by himself. She likes to travel by herself.
On purpose. I didn't spill the drink on purpose. He said that on purpose to upset me.
To get along. They get along really well. How are you getting along with your new job?
To make no difference. It makes no difference whether we go today or tomorrow. His opinion makes no difference to me. Thanks for learning with Easy Peasy English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun lessons. See you next time. Stay peasy.